Hello. Today we're comparing Excel and Power BI, two powerful tools for dashboard creation. Which one suits your needs best? Stay tuned to find out. In this presentation, we will take a quick look at both Excel and Power BI, highlighting their key features and differences. We'll start with a comparison of the two tools, followed by real-world examples of dashboards created using both platforms. Then, we'll guide you through choosing the right tool based on your specific need. Let's start with a quick overview of both tools. Excel is one of the most well-known tools for working with data and doing calculations. It is widely used to create tables, analyze data, and generate simple reports. Its easy-to-use interface makes it a go-to tool for many businesses. Power BI, on the other hand, is a newer tool designed for business intelligence. It helps users handle large amounts of data and create interactive dashboards with real-time updates. Let's see the key differences between Excel and Power BI and see which tool is better suited for your need. First, let's talk about data handling. Power BI is designed to manage large datasets with millions of rows effortlessly, ensuring smooth performance without slowing down. On the other hand, Excel can struggle with large data volumes, leading to performance issues when working with big files. The advantage here goes to Power BI. When it comes to data visualization, Power BI offers advanced, interactive dashboards with dynamic filtering and visually appealing charts. Excel, however, provides basic charts that are useful but lack the interactive capabilities that Power BI offers. In this point, the advantage goes to Power BI. For real-time analysis, Power BI supports real-time data updates using the cloud version Power BI service, enabling businesses to make decisions based on the latest information available. Excel, on the other hand, requires manual refreshes, which can slow down workflows and delay insight. The advantage here clearly goes to Power BI. Now, let's explore automation capabilities. Power BI has many advanced features and integrates seamlessly with third-party tools like Microsoft Power Automate and Zapier, allowing automatic report generation and data updates without manual effort. In contrast, Excel has limited automation features and often relies on VBA macros or third-party tools to automate data updates. Once again, the advantage goes to Power BI. Let's move on to collaboration. Power BI offers cloud-based collaboration, which allows multiple users to work on reports in real time from anywhere. Excel, however, depends on file-based sharing, which can lead to version control issues and inefficiencies. In terms of collaboration, Power BI has the upper hand, providing a seamless experience for teams. Now, let's discuss cost considerations. Excel is often included in the Microsoft Office suite, making it a more budget-friendly option for most businesses. Power BI, however, requires a separate subscription for premium features, which can increase costs over time. In this case, the advantage goes to Excel, as it offers a more affordable solution. Let's now talk about the learning curve. Excel is widely used and easy to learn, with a familiar interface that most people are already comfortable with. Power BI, however, has a steeper learning curve and requires additional training to master its advanced features. Here, the advantage goes to Excel, as it is easier to adopt and use for basic data tasks. Finally, let's look at integration capabilities. Power BI integrates seamlessly with other Microsoft services such as Azure and Dynamics, offering powerful data connectivity options. Excel, on the other hand, has limited integration capabilities compared to Power BI. The advantage here goes to Power BI, as it provides better integration with modern business tools. Let's see 3 example use cases to determine the best tool for each scenario. Example 1. Project Management. Excel is ideal for tracking project tasks and costs within a single file using pivot tables and simple charts. However, it becomes limited when multiple updates or collaboration are needed. Power BI, on the other hand, connects multiple data sources, offers real-time tracking, and facilitates collaboration with dynamic visualizations. Example 2. FMEA Risk Analysis. Excel allows easy calculation of criticality indices with pivot tables and charts but lacks automation and multi-source data consolidation. Power BI provides better flexibility by connecting to various databases, offering automated data processing and deeper trend analysis with interactive visuals. Example 3. OEE Monitoring. Excel can calculate and visualize OEE with formulas and charts, but manual updates can be time-consuming for large operations. Power BI integrates directly with production systems, handling large datasets efficiently and providing real-time insights for proactive decision-making. So, how do you choose the right tool? There is no single best solution, it all depends on your needs. First, consider data volume. If you handle small or medium-sized datasets, Excel might be enough. But if you're dealing with large and complex data, Power BI is the better option to ensure smooth performance. Next, think about collaboration needs. If you simply need to share files with a few colleagues, Excel can do the job. However, if real-time collaboration and cloud access are crucial for your team, Power BI provides a more seamless experience. Another important factor is cost. Excel is often included in the Microsoft Office suite, making it a budget-friendly choice. On the other hand, Power BI requires a subscription for its advanced features, which could be an investment to consider. Finally, let's talk about the learning curve. If your team is already familiar with Excel, adopting it for data analysis is straightforward. But if you're looking for more advanced insights and are ready to invest in learning a new tool, Power BI offers powerful capabilities. In the end, the right choice depends on your data complexity, collaboration needs, budget, and how comfortable your team is with learning new tools. Still not sure which tool fits your needs? Try both and see what works best for your workflow. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insight. See you in the next one.